Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the concept of chemistry, some basic concept of chemistry we discuss here. So today we started here the topic that is called as what is the oxidizing agent, what is the reducing agent, and what is the redox reactions. We take the one by one. Okay? So first of all, we take the point here, the oxidizing agent means what? So we take the topic oxidizing agent. It is also act as electron, what here? Acceptor. The second name of oxidizing agent is called as electron acceptor. Okay? So we discussed the what is the oxidizing agent. Yesterday we finished the topic first oxidation and reduction with a 4 definition. You know what is oxidation and reduction. Each concept shows the 4 definitions. Okay बेटा, आपको पता है कि जो अभी हमारा जो लेक्चर हुआ था उसमें हमने क्या देखा था कि ऑक्सीडेशन रिडक्शंस के 4 डिफिनेशन अलग अलग देखे थे हमने, है ना? क्लियर है? द ऑक्सीडेशन इज अपोजिट टू द रिडक्शंस. क्लियर? सो ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट मीन्स व्हाट? सो द ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट इज अपोजिट टू ऑक्सीडेशन. क्लियर? ये पॉइंट याद रखो बेटा. द प्रोसेस ऑफ ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट इज अपोजिट टू ऑक्सीडेशन with the help of some definition. Clear? Okay. So what is oxidizing agent? The process in which the addition of what here? The electron. The process in which the addition of electron called as oxidizing agent. Whereas what is oxidation? Means loss of electron. यानी जो प्रोसेस ऑक्सीडेशन का होता है बेटा उसके अपोजिट क्या होता है? ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. सो द प्रोसेस इन विच द एटम और सब्सटेंस द एडेड अ इलेक्ट्रॉन कॉल्ड एज द ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. इट मीन्स इट इज इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्टर. क्लियर बेटा? जो डिफिनेशन है बेटा, द प्रोसेस इन विच लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन कॉल्ड एज ऑक्सीडेशन, द अपोजिट gain of electron accept of electron called is what here? The oxidizing agent. Clear? So the process in which the addition of electron or accept the electron called as the oxidizing agent, or it is also called as electron acceptor. Clear beta? Okay. For example we take the example here, the Zn dipositive plus 2 electron negative, it form the Zn. Why Zn required plus 2 charge? Because at that time the loss of 2 electron. ये Zn में चार्ज plus 2 क्यों आया बेटा? क्योंकि यहाँ से 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस किया था उसने, अब ये 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन कर रहे हैं. So the substance which gain the electron or accept the electron called as, so this Zn are act as oxidizing agent or electron acceptor. क्लियर है? ऐसा समझे बेटा, द सब्सटेंस विच accept the electron called as oxidizing agent, whereas the substance which donate or loss electron called as what here? Called as the oxidation. It means the oxidation is opposite to oxidizing agent. Clear है बेटा? Okay. Okay. Now we take the second point here. What is reducing agent? What here? What is reducing agent? It is also called as electron. It is also called as electron donor. Okay? It means the substance which donate the electron called as the reducing agent or electron donor or electron what here? Donating atom. So the substance or the species which donate the electron is called as the reducing agent. The reducing agent is opposite to reductions. You know reduction means what? Reduction means the addition of what here? Addition of electron. It is what here? The loss of electron, or what here? Donate the electron, called as what here? The concept, what here? The process in which the addition of electron, called as reduction. Opposite the substance which donate the electron pair, or loss of electron. Loss of electron or electron donor, called as what? Reducing agent. It means reduction is opposite to reducing agent. Clear beta? Okay. Some substance, some chemical are used as oxidizing agent, like for example some chemical reaction. We take some example of the what here? Oxidizing agent, like KMnO4, what here? Comma K2Cr2O7. Okay, so all these two elements, and next comma CrO3. So all these three what here? Chemical. KMnO4 called as potassium permanganate, K2Cr2O7 called as potassium dichromate, and this CrO3 called as chromic oxide. These three chemical are used as what here? Oxidizing agent. What is there? Oxidizing agent in many chemical reaction. It means it added an electron in the chemical reactions called as the oxidizing agent. Clear? Sometimes these chemical are will be itself oxidized and reduced to another substance. Clear? It means it added oxygen to any compound and it loses the oxygen. So it is called as the what here? Oxidizing agent. For example, reducing agent, like we take the example of some chemical example of reducing agent, like we take the example what here? Okay, so here we take the NaBH4. NaBH4 called as sodium borohydride. Clear beta? Comma Ni. Okay, nickel. Okay, Ni/H2. Clear? So all these elements NaBH4, NiH2 or then LiAlH4 means nickel/hydrogen, Li means lithium aluminum hydride. These three chemicals are used as reducing agent. It means in the reaction these catalysts are act as reducing agent. It means it itself reduce and to oxidize the another substance. Clear? Okay. For example, this chemical, now we take the example here, how the electron accept, we take the example here, Zn, to loss a Zn dipositive plus 2 electron negative. Here Zn loss a electron donor, so it is acted what here? Reducing agent. Reducing agent. Clear बेटा? तो दो टॉपिक याद रखो बेटा. क्वेश्चन आते हैं आपको, व्हाट इज ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट? तो इट हैव अ टू डेफिनेशन. फर्स्ट, द सब्सटेंस विच accept the electron pair or accept the electron or added the electron in any chemical reactions called as oxidizing agent. The oxidizing agent is opposite to oxidation. You know what is oxidation? Means loss of electron. Clear? Here it's a gain of electron, accept electron, opposite to the oxidation. Second definition, what is oxidizing agent? So the process in which the substance oxidized itself and reduced to another substance. देखो याद रखो बेटा, पहले डिफिनेशन क्या है? The process in which the addition of electron or accept the electron called as oxidizing agent. Second definition, the process in which the substance are itself oxidized and reduced to another substance called as oxidizing agent. For example, Zn dipositive plus 2 electron. These 2 electron are added will be accepted by this atom. So this atom are act as what here? Oxidizing agent and to form Zn. Now second topic, what is reducing agent? So it is defined as the substance which what here added electron or the substance which lost electron or electron donor atom, the substance which loss of electron or electron donor atom called a reducing agent. It is opposite to reduction. Reduction means addition of electron. Clear? Here remove of electron means donate the electron. Second definition, the substance, second definition of reducing agent, the substance which itself reduce and oxidize to another substance. The substance which itself reduce and oxidize to another substance called as reducing agent. ये दो डिफिनेशन याद रखनी है, आपको राइट करना है बेटा. पहले क्या है, इलेक्ट्रॉन को क्या करना है बेटा, एक्सेप्ट करना है, गेन करना है, तो उससे बोलते हैं ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. सेकंड डिफिनेशन, द सब्सटेंस विच itself oxidize and reduce to another substance called as oxidizing agent. Example, second reducing agent, the substance which what here loss of electron or electron donor atom called as the oxidizing agent. Second definition, the substance which itself reduce and oxidize to another substance called as reducing agent. For example, Zn atom loss of electron, so Zn atom loss means electron donor atom are act as reducing agent. Clear है? Now we take some chemical chemical use of or the in different types of chemical reaction, the substance, example KMnO4, K2Cr2SO1, CrO3, it's all are act as what here oxidizing agent. Whereas the some chemical reaction NaBH4, Ni/H2, LiLH4, this atom are act as reducing agent to any chemical reactions. Clear है बेटा? Okay. So it's oxidizing agent, reducing agent. Now take the last point here. What is redox reactions? So we take the point here. What is the redox reactions? The redox reaction is also called as the oxidation reduction reaction. The redox reaction is also called as oxidation reduction reaction. Clear? It means in the redox reaction, the process of oxidation and reduction take place in a one time called as redox reaction. Clear? The redox reaction or reduction oxidation reaction is defined as the process in which the oxidation and reduction take place in a one time called as redox reaction. In many chemical reaction or in many biological process, the redox reaction are used. For example, in the respiration is also the example of redox reaction. How this happen? When we inhale the oxygen and exhale the carbon dioxide, it means the addition of oxygen and same time loss of oxygen. जब हम लोग बेटा रेस्पिरेशन सांस लेते हैं ना, तो रेस्पिरेशन में क्या करते हैं, हम O2 को इनहेल करते हैं और CO2 को एक्सहेल करते हैं. तो O2 को ऐड करना मतलब क्या, ऑक्सीडेशन, और O को रिमूव करना से क्या, रिडक्शन. सो द प्रोसेस इन विच द ऑक्सीडेशन रिडक्शन टेक प्लेस इन अ वन टाइम कॉल्ड एज रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन. द बेस्ट एग्जांपल इज व्हाट हियर, रेस्पिरेशंस. क्लियर है बेटा? ओके. नाउ वी टेक द सम केमिकल एग्जांपल ऑफ रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन. So when the Zn means zinc is react with copper dipositive, Zn is a symbol of zinc, copper means Cu is a symbol of copper. So here Zn is react with a copper ion. In this reaction, the Zn atom, clear, the Zn atom loss electron toward the copper and copper accept the electron and Zn goes Zn dipositive plus 2 electron negative. Now whether it is a redox reaction or not, now we check out here कि भी रिएक्शन जो दी गई है बेटा वो कौन सी है, रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन है नहीं है, तो उसको चेक कैसा करेंगे हम लोग. देखो यहाँ पर Zn Cu, here copper lost electron, okay, copper lost electron. So now in this reaction, first time Zn lost electron, so the Zn lost electron with charge positive, how many electron lost Zn? +2. यहाँ पे Zn जो इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस कर रहा है बेटा, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस कर रहा है और सेम टाइम कॉपर वो इलेक्ट्रॉन ले रहा है. सो द सब्सटेंस विच डोनेट द इलेक्ट्रॉन or lost electron, this called as the oxidant. What here? Oxidant. And same time copper accept the electron, it is called as reductant. What here? Reductant. It means the process of oxidation is also called as oxidant, where the process reduction is called as reductant. So the process in which Zn lost the electron and same time these 2 electrons are accepted by the copper. So the substance which donate the electron called as oxidation, means oxidant, and the same time copper accept the 2 electrons, so copper are act as what here? Reduction or reductant. So the process in which the oxidation means oxidant and reduction means reductant are take place in a one time, it is called as RR are called as redox reactions. Clear beta? So the best example of this chemical reaction is called respiration. Second example what here? Zn lost the electron and copper accept the electron, and the substance which donate the electron pair or lost the electron called as what here? Oxidation, and same time the substance which accept the electron or edit the electron, it is called as what here? Reductions or reductant. So the process in which the oxidation and reduction means losing and electron oxygen gaining take place in a one time, or electron what here? Losing or gaining take place in a one time, it is called as what? Redox reactions. So it is all about what here? Redox reactions. Clear? It is oxidizing agent. Example, some chemical we use as what here? This oxidizing agent, reducing agent, example, and some chemical uses reducing agent like this. And last, redox reactions. Clear है बेटा? इस तरीके से हमारा ऑक्सीडेशन, रिडक्शन, ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट, रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट एंड लास्ट रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन फिनिश हुआ. इसके बाद नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक देखेंगे हम लोग. ठीक है? ओके, इजी टॉपिक है बेटा, थोड़ा अंडरस्टैंड करना है आपको. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.